Yup, he lived.
What happened down there?
You wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Try me.
All right, here goes. So I meet Eris, the goddess of chaos. She's got a major crush on me, and she invited me back to her place.
Ha! That's a good one. Goddess of Chaos? Oh, I'm writing that down.
So that's it then. No book. Now what do we do?
A little patience, Rat. It's not like we don't know where it's going.
Men, all sails to Syracuse.
Right away, sir!
Avis messy.
Quite the performance. I've never seen anyone mess up that badly. That helped.
Thank you, I was trying, so...
I have saved us again! Ow! A bit more. No, no, no! Up a bit. Perfect! Walk away! Cowering, running, and pulling a skedaddle, we are safe from our enemy, the Gorg.